Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on this like, is it a cyborg? Is it like a, what do they call this? Cyborg. Cyborg? Cyborg. Okay, I'm gonna call it a cyborg because I think that's what it is. I saw this artwork and this was my inspiration. I love that you can see the flesh tearing off. We got like some tendons that are neon. Oh, don't look at that. I didn't take it all away, you know. This is a custom colored wig from Pravana that they sent me actually last year for Halloween. I didn't end up using it, so I used it for this look. Yeah, I thought this makeup look was really cool and it would be cool to do for Halloween. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, so I'm starting with the smoky eye. I have this exact tutorial and I'll link it in the description box down below. I wanted to focus more on the crazy part of this look. First, I'm taking a white pencil. This is from NYX, and I'm going to sketch out almost like a tearing flesh outline. I'm just taking this flat brush and buffing away the pencil a little bit so that it's not a super harsh white, that it's like fading into my skin. I'm dipping into this brown from the Bobbi Brown Nude palette. You could take any dark brown and just start shadowing in all the little divots in the outline we just made. So as you can see, I'm going into all the curves. If I see anything curving in, that's when I want it to be dark. We're gonna end up painting this whole part dark anyways, but this really helps me get a visual of depth. All right, I'm going back in with my NYX white pencil and I'm just sketching out the edges, adding a few highlights. And I'm also going to use this to sketch out the tendons and any of the little veins and stuff. So here are the tendons that I know are going to be white. And then I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow and again adding depth, filling in all those little crevices. Going in with my Makeup Forever Flash palette. So when you guys are watching this, know that I painted my whole face black and then realized really fast that trying to go over it with white was like a total fail, so I took it off. Starting over, so do not paint black first. Yay me! Alright, I decided to fade all the edges though, just so it looks nice and blended before I start back up with the white pencil. So this is where you want to do all the neon veins. So I'm just going in, randomly creating some veins with a white pencil, and then I'm going into the SUVA Beauty palette, and you just want to pack on the eyeshadow over the white that you just placed. This whole process is just a building step and repeat. You just want to start with the white, put eyeshadow over it, and then go in with the white again and go over what you just did until we build a nice hazy neon looking vein. I made a little mistake there, so I'm just cleaning up those edges. See, I'm going over it one more time with the eyeshadow combo that I created, and then I'm taking an Urban Decay white liquid liner to really precisely add the white in the very center of the haze that we just created. Damn. Trial and error. So I'm basically just repeating this step over and over again. My advice is to create all the white lines first and then fill in all with eyeshadow. Basically do them all at the same time, right? See, I did the first one first just because I was testing it out, but now I know the drill, so I'm just going to do all of them at the same time. Add the eyeshadow, add the white again, add the eyeshadow. It's just a repetition of steps. I also found that the more you add, the better, so it'll look cooler if you add more. Once I added the black, I realized, like, dude, I could have added a little bit more here. So the more the better. I'm also chiseling out some bones here. Not a lot, just a few tendons and bones that I see in my reference image. Basically just trace your collarbone. That's it. Really, I didn't add many bones. I wasn't going to take it there. That's, you know, I would have had to have like half top off to take it down to where the drawing did, so I'm not going to have my boobie out or nothing like that. And then lastly, I'm going into that brown eyeshadow. You can use any brown eyeshadow you have, and I'm just kind of adding a little bit of depth around the tear on the face, some shadowing here and there. And then I'm picking up a white concealer. You could use white face paint. This was conveniently right there. And I'm adding more highlights to the face to give me more of a ghostly feel rather than a tan feel. You know, I'm just trying to cover up the tan. I decided that I wanted to add a little pizzazz to my inner corner, so I'm doing the whole neon light effect in my teardrop. So I'm just starting with the white pencil. Again, go over with the shadow that you pick, and then go over it again with the white liner for a center highlight. And I'm also adding the Fenty Beauty highlight to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and then with white paint also just adding a really glassy center highlight to the nose as well. And to the lips, because why not? We're here. Let's do it. Let's take it all away. Popped in the contacts and the look is finished. Here we are. Boom. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I think there's taco sauce on it because I was eating a taco. Is it a cyborg? Give it away, give it away, give it away, give it away, no. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, no.